Hi, this is Deanna Lyons. I'm here again with another video in the Solopreneur series. And I was just talking to someone and we were both kind of commiserating about social media. We love it because we get to meet new people and we got a chance to meet each other that way. And then on the other hand, it's overwhelming. There's so much, do you do Facebook? Do you do Instagram? Do you do Twitter? Do you have to put on tight jeans and do some dance, to get people's interest in all of these crazy things? And so I thought it would be something good to do a quick tapping video on. The feeling that comes to mind when I do that is I'm anxious, and I can feel this anxiety building to where it could be overwhelmed really quickly. Let's just do a quick round of tapping on that and alleviate some of that stress. Even though part of doing business today often includes social media, I really wished it didn't, because it creates some anxiety in me when I think about it. I'm open to the possibility that I can find a more balanced and calm and peaceful place. The thought of it is just overwhelming. It took me a long time to even get started on Facebook. I didn't want to do Facebook. But then I kind of got the hang of it and got used to it. Facebook ads, who knows? Did that ever really pay off? Not really. So why do I even do social media? When I think about it, it's just overwhelming, because now there's Instagram and there's Twitter and there's TikTok. Oh my goodness, TikTok. And then now there's Reels and there's these short videos. And I just go on and on and on. And it's getting harder and harder to breathe. I notice that my breathing is just getting constricted. Just talking about it, just thinking about it, it's so overwhelming. So overwhelming. All this overwhelm, and all I'm doing is thinking about it, just thinking about it. What if it's like any other project that I have, and I just take it one step at a time? What if it doesn't have to be so overwhelming? What if I could get some help? What if I don't have to do them all? What if I just pick one, two? I already feel calmer. I don't know that I'll be calm when I go to do it tomorrow, but right now I feel calm. And what if I notice I'm getting ramped up? I could chill out and just remind myself to take it one step at a time. I don't have to do it all at once, and I don't have to meet everyone at once. But it does help me, and it can help me find the clients that are meant to work with me. It can help me connect with my loved ones. It can help me look for things that I want to find. There are some good things about it, and I'm choosing to focus on that more and more, and on the overwhelm less, as best I can. That's all for today.